Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to blend a blunt haircut in with the Hidden Crown clip-ins. I have two sets here to show you because I want to rock a longer length after cutting all my hair off. So I'm going to show you just how to do that in this video. So let's get started. So what you'll need to apply your crown clip-ins are your Hidden Crown rat tail comb that came with your package and your Hidden Crown claw clip to clip your hair up. Now I have here my 18-inch length set and my 14-inch length set, and I'm going to be stacking them together to fill in the volume from the longest length to the shortest length of my hair. And it's very blunt right now, and so the ends are a little bit thicker than normal. It's all practically one length. So when you want to go with a longer length than your hair, you will most likely need to stack them if your hair has more volume at the ends like mine does in a blunt haircut. So to get started, I'm going to first apply the 18-inch set. I'm going to apply all three wefts on first, and so starting at the lowest point of my head shape is where I'm going to place the very first track, which is the quad weft. And the quad weft is the longest length track that comes in your set, and it's the thickest amount of hair in your set as well. So we're going to go ahead and apply that one first at the lower portion of my nape. And all I'm doing is just gently teasing with my Hidden Crown rat tail comb at the base where the clips are going to attach onto my hair. So feeling where my parting is, I'm going to then scoop in the middle clip into the teased rooting section, and then I'm going to go ahead and clip in both sides into the other teased section along the parting. Now I'm going to go ahead and just part up a little bit further up, not very far. I have a very small head shape, so getting all 6 wefts onto my head shape can be a little difficult, so I do have to put them pretty close together. So here now I have one of the side tracks of the 18-inch. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this one, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and just keep making my way up, staggering. And go ahead and apply the last track of the 18-inch here. Okay, so now starting with the 14-inch, I've just parted right above the last 18-inch track that I applied. Now I'm going to just continue doing what I was doing with the 14-inch. So here is where I'm going to apply the longer weft, the quad weft of the 14-inch. And then for the last 2 sides for the 14-inch, I'm going to go more towards each side. So I'm going to apply one side weft here. This will give me a little more volume on the sides of my head as well. I like to apply the middle clip first because it gives you a lot more control as to where you're going to apply the 2 side clips, and that goes for every single weft that you apply. It just makes it a little bit easier to get them on, and then you don't have like one side hanging down while you're trying to get the other side clipped up. All right. Now we just need to do a little teasing to help conceal the top layers of each weft, and you can actually do so with your Hidden Crown rat tail comb. And that's how easy it is to blend 2 sets of crown clip-ins with a blunt haircut. Now this goes for pretty much all blunt haircuts. If you have, you know, a longer hair length that's blunt cut and you want to do, you know, an extension that is several inches past your hair length, you may need to either point cut the ends of your hair, or you may need to add a second extension to help blend out that blunt straight line of the ends of your hair. Now also, if you are like me as well with a small head shape, you don't have to use all 6 tracks of 2 sets of crown clip-ins. You can use 4 tracks or just 5 tracks, whatever works for you, and to get that blend to work for you is perfect. So just play around with it and have fun. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.